3D Printed Drone Part 1, Frame and Assembly. The 3D printed PLA frame is a delicate balance between maximizing strength and minimizing weight. The old frame had some problems which I corrected for this video series. The landing gear was fragile and it was a little on the heavy side. So I designed a thinner frame with sturdier landing gear that's 4 grams lighter. I also designed optional propeller guards, although this increases the weight by 4 grams. The motors are Newbie Drone BDR Gold 6mm brushed DC motors. Together, they weigh 9 grams. The props press fit onto the motor shafts. I used Crazy Fly replacement props. The motors are press fit into the frame. The motors also get hot enough to loosen their fit in the PLA mounts. Inserting a small sliver of electrical tape fixes this by creating additional friction. The PCB is mounted to the frame using 4 M3 polyamide screws and standoffs. Using plastic screws helps reduce weight. Even 1 gram makes a difference. A 4-inch zip tie holds the 9-gram 240 mAh LiPo battery in place. Keeping the zip tie loose but not too loose allows you to swap it out easily while also holding it firmly in place during flight. With the battery, this new design weighs 33 grams. Watch for part 2 where I talk about the flight controller board.